It was a tribal vote. The people who are tribalists were looking for homes.
You voted, I voted as well. There was no one in that ballot paper that asked us for, traditional whatever, you know what I mean? So I don't know where he would get those numbers from. But the fact that President Zuma does come from KZN, he obviously shown that he has support from his home province, which is actually a good thing. And the numbers in other provinces are showing that people that were not Zulu also voted.
Viva! Viva! Viva!
Yeah. MK Ganagit. They hate vendors. They hate Swanas. They hate Xhosas.
Viva! Viva!